In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Leonardo AI app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. You will find this app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a shopping bag with a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, revealing a vast library of apps, games, and more. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android devices. Using it ensures that you are downloading safe and verified applications. Next, we will search for Leonardo.ai-image generator. At the top of the Google Play Store, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and type in Leonardo.ai. As you type, suggestions may appear below. Look for the exact name to make your search easier. This step matters because it helps you quickly find the app amidst many options available. Once you see the correct app in the list, you can proceed to the next step. Now, select the app developed by Leonardo Interactive Pickery Limited. Make sure it's the right one, as there might be other apps with similar names. You can identify it by looking for the developer's name under the app title. This ensures that you are downloading the legitimate app that has the features you need. Selecting the right app is essential for a smooth experience. After that, tap Install. You will see an Install button on the app page. Once you tap it, the download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments. This step is important because it starts the process of getting the app onto your device. You will see a progress bar that indicates how much of the app has been downloaded. Next, wait for the installation to complete. You might see a notification once the installation is finished. This is a simple yet vital step, as it ensures that the app is fully installed and ready for use. Once the installation is complete, you will be able to access the app from your home screen or app drawer. Now, tap Open. This button typically appears right after the installation completes. Tapping Open will launch the Leonardo AI app for the first time. This is an exciting moment because you are about to enter the world of AI image generation. You may see a welcome screen or a brief tutorial of the app's features. From there, sign in or create a Leonardo AI account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you are new, look for the option to create an account. This step is significant because signing in allows you to save your projects and access features personalized to your account. You may need to verify your email as part of the sign-up process. Finally, start generating AI images and videos. Once logged in, explore the app's interface. You will find options to create various types of media. This is where the fun begins. You can experiment with different styles, settings, and inputs to create unique images and videos. Enjoy the creative process, and remember, practice will help you get the most out of this incredible tool. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!